this is eco-worthy. In the last video, we showed you the combiner box and its connections. In this video today, we're going to show you a real 8-piece solar system setup. Let's look at this solar system kit first. Here we have a power inverter. Here we have a charge controller, some wires, the combiner box, and the batteries. This solar system allows you an amount of 3 kilowatts per day that is a perfect fit for a family daily using. Now let's begin. The first step is to connect these two 12 volts batteries in series first to get a 24 volts battery bank, and then we connect the charge controller to our battery bank, positive to positive and negative to negative. Now we are going to connect these 8 solar panels in series. We are going to take the negative cable and connect it to the positive cable of the next solar panel. And we will do the same for the remaining 6 solar panels. The next step, connect these 4 solar modules to the combiner box. We all know it's a simple step, but don't be too relaxed. A wrong connection might damage these panels and even the combiner box. After we have done, don't forget to check whether they are all in the right position. Next step is to connect this controller to the combiner box. We need to connect the earthing wire first and then connect these 2 output wires to the charge controller. The last step is to connect the inverter to the battery bank and finish the connection. Now let's open this inverter power switch. We can see from the screen that it's an output and an input now. That's all about the solar combiner box kit. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you find these videos interesting. Any question or suggestion, please email us or call us.